In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check buyer and seller ratings on Facebook Marketplace. Ratings help you quickly judge reliability and past behavior so you can make safer, more confident decisions before reaching out or completing a deal. I'll walk you through the exact flow on the Facebook mobile app and share clear tips along the way. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the upper right of your display and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. This is your hub for features beyond the regular news feed. In the menu, tap Marketplace. That's the section where you can browse items for sale, see local listings, and access seller profiles. Now choose something to view. You can tap a sample item from the feed or use the search bar near the top to look up a specific product. Type what you're interested in, then select a matching result from the list. Opening a listing takes you to the item details page, where you can review photos, description, price, and location. This context is useful because it helps you gauge whether the seller is presenting the item clearly and consistently. Next, scroll down the listing until you see the seller details. This area shows the seller's name and basic profile info. Tap into the seller details to open their marketplace profile. Here, look for the blue star rating badge. Tap the blue stars to open the full ratings view. This reveals the seller's overall star average, how many people have rated them, and often written feedback from past transactions. Read through the comments to understand the patterns. Are buyers mentioning accurate descriptions, timely responses, and smooth meetups? Or are there repeated concerns? If you don't see any stars, the seller might be new or may not have enough completed transactions to display a rating yet. In that case, rely on other signals available on the profile, such as responsiveness indicators and activity history in Marketplace. Consistency across item descriptions, clear photos, and realistic pricing can also help you form a judgment. Although we focused on a seller's rating from a listing, it's helpful to know that Marketplace ratings apply to both sides of a transaction. Buyers and sellers earn them over time, and the same star badge and feedback format help you assess trustworthiness at a glance. Before you move forward, take a moment to compare what you see in the ratings with the details in the listing. If anything feels off, it's okay to step back and keep browsing. Using ratings thoughtfully is one of the best ways to protect your time and money on Marketplace.